In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Prestashop version with ease. Whether you're looking to migrate your Prestashop store or simply want to update it, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. First, begin by accessing your shop's admin login page. You'll need to use your specific shop domain followed by admin URL to reach this page. Once you're there, enter your login credentials, your email and password. Remember to keep these secure and only fill them in when you're on the official login page to prevent security issues. After entering your details, click on the login button to access your Prestashop back office dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. In the dashboard, you'll have a comprehensive view of your online store management tools. Once you're comfortably in the back end, navigate to the modules section. From there, proceed to click on Module Manager. In the Module Manager, utilize the search bar to type in one-click upgrade. If you don't already have the Update Assistant installed, now is the time to add it to your modules list, as it is an essential tool for a seamless upgrade experience. After installation, look for the Configure option and click on it. This will lead you to the next step where you will choose Update Your Store. When you click on Get Started, the module will efficiently guide you through the upgrade process step by step, ensuring you don't miss a beat. If your goal is to migrate data rather than just an upgrade, you can opt to use Migrate Pro. To access this tool, go to the modules marketplace, search for Migrate Pro, and make a purchase. This module will assist you in migrating your store data smoothly from one version to another. After acquiring Migrate Pro, install the module. Once installed, it's time to connect your existing store with the target store using the module's functionalities. It's important to make sure the two stores are properly connected to ensure a smooth data transfer. Once connected, select the data you wish to migrate. Initiate the migration process and sit tight as the data is transferred. During this stage, patience is key. After completion, verify your upgraded store to ensure everything has migrated as expected and that your store is running on the new version without any hitches. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll have your Prestashop updated or migrated in no time. Remember, keeping your store updated not only ensures the latest features, but also maintains security and efficiency standards. Thanks for watching and happy upgrading.